I want to demonstrate jump game on Leetcode. Given an array of non-negative integers, nums, you are initially positioned at the first index of the array. Each element in the array represents your maximum jump length at that position. Determine if you are able to reach that last index. Initially positioned at the first index of the array. So this is the first index. Now we can jump up to two iterations or two spots. So 1, 2, 1. This spot can go 1, and this spot can go 1 to 4 to the last spot. So your answer is true. This one is false because the initial first index goes to 0, and 0 has no steps, hence cannot get to the last. I'm going to solve this iteratively with a for loop and an if-else statement nested inside that for loop and a couple of variables declared in order to solve this problem. First thing I'm going to do is name a variable start and equal that to the first index of the array. And then next, I'm going to loop through the nums array. I'm going to create another variable called num and equal that to the nums array index. So whatever number is being iterated currently. Now this is when things get a little tricky. I'm going to say if start is less than the index, return false. Else, if another condition happens, condition being if start is less than the number plus the index. If that's true, start will equal to num plus the index. Now, once all that code runs through, we're going to return start being greater than or equal to the last index of the array, which is nums.length minus 1. Let's try running this. It's accepted. I'll try submitting this. And it's accepted. This is an O of n runtime complexity, which is linear because we're looping through the array no matter what size that array is. We are taking into account every single number in that array and iterating through every single one. Now our space-time complexity is constant because we aren't adding any more data to this problem. We have a set known data. So why does this work? So start is the first number. The index equals to 0, so it can't be less than that. It'll just give up immediately. So every number is being iterated here. So start becomes whatever first number is being iterated. So 2 is start, then 3, then 1. It's less than 0, that means it's the end. And if it's not, it won't be 0. And then we return start being greater than the last number in the index, which is a true or false statement.